in Africa to go to join the BRIC nation.
Exactly.
So, what is happening? Are we getting colonized again?
Hi there, guys.
Welcome back to our channel, guys.
Silver Fanatic. I think today's guys video we'll be talking about BRICS nation, if you know about them, and the meeting, the summit meeting in August, and CBDC.
Yeah.
The Fed coin that's going to be launched in July.
Yeah. So
just around the corner.
We're talking about all that.
Yeah, guys. The BRICS nation wants to come up with the currency, guys, which will be stronger than a dollar. I think everybody knows that.
Yeah.
I think they started in 2017. I'm not too sure. Working on that. Now it's on the final stages, guys. Yeah.
And I think if you didn't know that what is BRIC nation, that's combined. It's a group of nations. Countries, which is Brazil, India, South Africa, China, and Russia. So it's combined with those countries, and they doing it for purpose of developing what they normal terms.
I think their main purpose is to destroy the dollar. I think that is the main focus, just to destroy the dollar, because on August this year, right?
Yeah, August.
I think they're going to launch their currency, guys.
Yes, I think it's gonna.
That is their plan.
I think it's gonna be in August. It's ICC Durban.
Yes, and at ICC, guys, here in South Africa, guys, that's where they will meet for the summit, because their main focus it will be to implement, to launch their currency. I think that's the only thing I see. After that meeting, I think the currency will be launched. So once that the BRICS currency is launched, I feel that they will demand countries, guys, whenever they're buying their natural resources, to use the BRICS currency instead of a US dollar. So I think that's what they're on about.
And that will bring the dollar to this lowest point, not in the uppest point.
So I think the BRICS nation currency could be backed by gold. I think so. I think to be backed by gold. So judging, the reason I'm saying that, it's the countries that are in the BRICS nation. Most of them hold gold.
Yes.
They hold real gold, guys, not a paper gold. Comment below who you think holds paper gold. Let's see if people know. Who's holding paper gold?
And I also think it's gonna be backed by crypto. It's gonna have two things backed. That's currency, cryptocurrency. I think it's gonna back this currency with gold. So to make the precious metals to go
skyrocket. Precious metals, right? Yeah, guys, will really skyrocket, because once that the BRICS currency is backed by gold, I think people that are holding, or let me just say countries that are holding paper gold will be exposed. Will really be exposed, because the BRICS will be backing the currency with gold. So in that manner, the ones that are holding the paper gold, because there are countries that are holding paper gold. Just comment below if you know them, guys. So my advice is to just buy gold and silver, guys. God's money, guys, while you still can, because once that happens, it's gonna skyrocket. That's for sure. That's for sure. Manipulation will just be swept, not even under the carpet, swept away. The manipulation, don't think they'll be able to do it anymore, because everybody will be exposed. Yes.
That's true.
But when I'm saying buy gold and silver, guys, please, it is not financial advice.
Yes. It's just
we're just having a talk, guys.
on the internet.
On the internet, guys.
Yes. And this coming month is gonna be difficult, guys. It's gonna be very difficult because we don't know how the outcomes will be for both BRICS nation and US.
Or the launch.
Yeah.
Because BRICS nation will be launching the currency and US will be launching the what?
The Fed coin.
Yeah.
So it's gonna be tough.
It's really gonna be difficult for everyone,
and especially in the market. And we don't know if we are in the financial war or we are in the nuclear war that people were talking about.
Comment below.
Just comment below.
Let us know what you think, guys. Are we on the nuclear or financial war? And another thing, guys, just comment below as well. Since South Africa, I think that is what I'm thinking. The reason I'm saying this is what I'm thinking. I'm seeing the way things are happening right now. It's like South Africa is shifting away from the west and going to the east. So just comment below. Let us know whether South Africa, since they're shifting to the east, are they getting colonized again or not? So that's what I'm curious to find out, whether we're getting colonized again or it's gonna be for the better. I am not too sure.
But I would like to say not South Africa is such, but Africa in general. Because most of the countries are wanting to join in Africa. To go to join the BRICS nation.
Exactly.
What is happening? Are we getting colonized again? But are we getting colonized freely or we
are
don't
we free or not? Are we free or are we still trapped?
Yeah, we don't know, guys.
Comment below, guys. Let us know. Let us know whether we were trapped or we're free. Because for quite some time now, the African countries been colonized. First it was Britain, and then the US. Now I think maybe the East. I'm not too sure. Just comment below.
Just our point of view.
It's just our point of view, guys. Just comment below. Let us know. Let us know what is really happening, because we are suspecting. Yeah, because
it's happening, guys.
It's happening. Everything is happening too quick now, guys. We've been saying it's happening. Buy silver and gold. It's happening now, guys.
It's the time.
It is the time where I think you will start hearing things on the news.
Yeah.
When you start hearing things on the news, just know that it's too late.
It's tough now.
It's too late. It's happening. NC, what's this one? NC.
Our one, it's NCA. I think NCA.
Yeah.
And SABC.
When you start hearing on those channels, it's finished. It's too late. Panic will be all over the streets. People will be buying like crazy. People will be prepping.
Yes, and like we said, let's flood YouTube with these videos.
Yes.
Because people will be looking for these type of videos.
They will be rushing.
And some of them, it will be too late to buy these precious metals that we were talking about.
That's so true. That's so true.
Alright, that's it for our video, guys.
For today. Guys, please like and subscribe if you have reached this far. If you have seen this Maple American ASE on the slab, doesn't matter, it's 69, but if you have reached this far and seen this slab, this ASE,
your subscription will make it a 70.
just comment below.
Guys.
Just leave subscribe, guys, and press the like button.
And we're waiting for your comments
and the notification and the comment on the two, whether we are colonized or in the financial.